up, guys? This tree is just killing this car. So to be honest with you, when we were out here, well, when I was out here working on the VR4, that last video wasn't running too good. It I don't know, I kind of decided to edit everything out. Like, wasn't it one I showed you, it was idling high, it want to go below 2 grand. You'd rev it, it would kind of like bog up. I don't know, you didn't really see it in the clips because I edited all that shit out. I only like put in the good revs and shit. But I never plugged the O2 sensor back in. I've been thinking about it for like 3 days, like what could have happened, because I was really upset, to be honest with you. I was like, man, I did all this stuff to this car and it never ran that rough. You know, like I knocked the cat out thinking that would make it run better because it ran a little rough, and I was like, oh well, that's why, because the rear bank isn't getting as much airflow as the front, so let me knock that cat out and everything will run a little bit smoother. But it wasn't anything that was like bad, you know. And then after I did that, it was running like shit, honestly. Sitting there thinking this morning, never plugged the O2 sensor back in. So I did that. And I still got to put that bolt back on the downpipe, that lower bolt. I never tightened that up. And then we're going to take this thing out today. Like, we're going to get on it, see how it is. We're going to drive it hopefully for a few hours at least, and just make sure everything's good and running good before I have it sign off the paint. I really do want this engine rebuilt. I just, like I said before, if I'm going to do it, I got to wait till winter, because I don't want this car just sitting here all this summer. Have it done in the middle of winter. That'll just suck, you know what I mean, to have a car done right in the middle of winter and not be able to take it out. So I'd rather drive it the way it is and then rebuild it this winter if I do it myself, unless I can find someone close and good that I can just drop it off. They can pull it out, redo all the seals, and just go through everything, do seals and gaskets. I want that done for sure. I might put cams in it, I don't know. But let me tighten up that bolt. Alright, I got that downpipe on. Started up a lot better. I don't know, hopefully that idle goes down. Oh, that sounds so much better. I mean, it's still idling a little high. Before I plugged the O2 sensor in, it was idling above 2 grand. Now it's at like 1800. I don't fucking know. There's gotta be something unplugged somewhere. See, man, the problem with having different people help you, especially when you're not around, you don't know shit. Like, what the fuck is this supposed to go to? I didn't ever unplug this. Jason or Corey had to unplug that. I don't even know what the fuck that goes to. I mean, maybe it was part of the EGR. I don't know, let's go drive it. This is really pissing me off. The idling's so damn high. I'll fucking get it. It didn't do that. It's never idled this high before. Well, I don't know what's going on with the idle. I mean, I guess at least you don't have to give it gas to take off. Be a great car for someone to learn how to drive manual in. It's not running right at all. It's breaking up. That was full throttle. It did nothing. I gotta have something unplugged somewhere. If you ease into it, it'll make boost. If you just go and punch it, it does nothing. Fucking better, right? Everything's new. That sucks. I don't get it. It's like a mass airflow sensor isn't plugged in, which it is. There's no check engine light either, so I can't even run it. Okay, besides high idle and having to ease into it, it's actually running really good. If you just ease into it, like especially like at the top of second gear, like if you just do like half throttle, 3/4 throttle, this thing is running great. But if you full throttle it, it's breaking up. Like, I don't know, I just did plugs, like they're brand new on this car, so I doused the plugs. I'm real excited though. I love this thing already. This thing is stuck to the ground. This thing is like on rails, like no BS at all. Like people say that all the time. This thing, seriously, like even though it needs an alignment bad and the steering wheel's in there like upside down pretty much, it's fucking great. Just need to get it running 100% and get it off the paint. I know I keep saying it. I know the last video I even put in there that I'm gonna do paint. Both my buddies that paint, they're both backed up for like a month, so I got a month before they can even get me in anyways. So I'm gonna try to figure out what's going on with this and get this thing running at tip-top shape. You know, I just was thinking too, another thing could be bad fuel. I mean, the fuel in that thing's at least a year old. I don't know how long fuel actually stores for. I know I was always told not to store it over winter, to at least put an additive in there. I never put any additives in that fuel. That fuel might be old as fuck. So I mean, that could be the reason why it's breaking up, maybe. I don't really know. I don't know, that just popped in my head as I was walking away. I'm in love with this. We're taking it back out. Oh, there we go. It's idling normal now. Yeah, it's at like 9 grand. I just needed to beat on it a little bit. Damn guys, this thing is fucking great. All I got on is aero, airbag, and ABS light. Oh man, she's not breaking up no more. Just gotta give it one of them Italian tune-ups. Just beat the fucking snot out of it, it'll work. That don't even make any sense. How's it running perfectly fine now? Just sitting? Had an injector gunked up a little bit? I don't fucking know. But this Italian tune-up's really fucking working. I'm just beating the fucking snot out of this thing. It's already running better. Gotta get some good fuel up in this bitch. Going into third gear. It's not really grinding, you just get a nice clunk. Woo! I hope that came across on camera. legit blowing my mind that it was just running like dog shit. I went and I beat the fuck out of it. I parked it, and now it's running fucking fine. She's back up to idle and high. But it's not breaking up like it was. Maybe it was just cutting fuel. Dude, these turbos on this thing are fucking great. Thing is fucking glued to the road. Never put it in because I was more worried about getting it moving and sitting there spending a day trying to do linkage.
Ducks? Haven't you possibly know anything about the ducks? Like a cool kid.
That right there is why the vr4 is my favorite car. It's fucking amazing. It is, man. It fucking is. Fucking great car. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm excited as fuck. This car is fucking great.